The City Health Department closes a child care program in Williamsburg. Officials say it failed to provide access to student vaccination records during the ongoing measles emergency. Your One's Lori Chung is on the scene at Health Department headquarters in Long Island City. Lori.
Well, that's right, Louis. That order, that announcement, I should say, came earlier this afternoon. Health officials making good on their promise to penalize schools and daycare centers that they say aren't helping to contain the outbreak. Again, they held that announcement earlier today here at Health Department headquarters. Officials say the United Talmudical Academy, or UTA, in Williamsburg has failed to provide access to medical and attendance records in accordance with commissioner's orders to contain the ongoing measles outbreak. In fact, officials say inspectors visited the school 5 separate times, but each time they were unable to get the school's vaccination records or attendance records. We're told there are 2 cases of measles connected to that school, though it's unclear whether those cases were contracted on premises or outside of the school. Nevertheless, the ongoing outbreak has spread throughout the Orthodox Jewish community, mostly in Williamsburg and Borough Park, with 329 cases of the disease emerging since last October. Health officials have taken a number of steps, including ordering mandatory vaccinations, issuing orders for schools to exclude unvaccinated students and staff, and so far at this point there are some 23 yeshivas in the city and daycare programs that have received notices of violation. Well, this all part of the ongoing action to prevent the outbreak, with officials taking action against those who aren't doing their part, according to officials, to keep the disease from spreading further.
We can't do this without the support of parents, and we cannot do this without the support of the rabbinical religious leaders, and we cannot do this without the support of schools. And so it will take all of those partners working together to bring this outbreak to an end.
The virus can live in the air for 2 hours after the person has walked out of the room. This is why vaccine is so critically important. This is a highly contagious disease. 90% of people who are unvaccinated or non-immune and come in contact with somebody with measles will become infected.
Now, officials say because of the incubation period for measles, they expect to see more cases turn up in the coming weeks. They do tell us that at this point there are 3 people that remain hospitalized with the disease, including 2 that are in intensive care. That's the very latest from here in Long Island City. Lori Chung, New York One. Louis, back to you.
Thanks, Lori.